Hello guys, so today I will be changing this standard ceiling rose pendant over to a modern LED.
Hi guys! Hi! Turning our house into a home.
This is for my daughter. It's like a Mickey Mouse looking one, bright white. But I'm on the step ladder, hence all the creaking. But I've already isolated the electricity, and then I just want to inspect. So you've got your earths, this here's your switch live. Be a pretty straightforward job. I've replaced all of the other ones in the property so far, well upstairs. I just keep forgetting to record. So in here it's just my little assortment of electrical tools. Got a tub full of Wagos, drivers, whichever voltage rated. Some more Wagos. Got a pen tester. Some pliers. An extra bit of an knife. Just so I can do some extension bits. My clips. Some wire strippers. And yeah, these are just bits from ones I've already taken down. I don't know, and got some leaf. Got a massive roll downstairs as well. And my little handy headlight torch. As you can see now, I have the pendant down. Bit of loft installation there coming out. Yeah, because this is an older property. It's just got the older wiring. So you've got your live and neutrals and your earths in black and red. And this one here is a switch live. So it's a neutral with old live colouring. Bit of a tongue twister there. So now I will join up all of these, and a neutral I'll add on some extras, and yeah, you'll see. Right, so for the earth setup, I haven't got any 4 blocks, I've only got 5s. So we will be running the 3 off there into there, which will give it our 4th. Oh, drop that. And then for our neutral, we will be running a 3 block Wago connector. So yeah, it will be the 2 in there to make that the 3. So as you can see here, we've got our earths connected, our neutrals connected, and our lives. Obviously this is a neutral, but is now a switch live. So that will act as our live, neutral and earth. And obviously if you've got a big enough hole, you can whack those up into the ceiling. But the ones I'm using, pendants, they have quite a big surface area, so they'll sit in there nice and comfortably, like so. So this is what we'll be fitting. As you can see there, you've got your live, neutral and earth connectors, and it's quite a deep recess, so should be okay with those Wagos just sitting in there. So I thought I had more footage of this project, but it appears not. So this project is now complete, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will, however, do a full step-by-step on how to install one yourself with clear visual instructions. Again, thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.